Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today I've got the beautiful vintage Coach Ergo flat bag to share with you. And as you can see, the color is red, and the style number for the Ergo flat bags was 9034, and this specific bag was made in the US in 1998. So I'll go ahead and show you a close-up of the bag now. So here's the front. It does have a few like spots throughout, but nothing really noticeable. Like it has a small one right there, but you can't really see it very well from a distance. Here's the side of the bag. Here's the other side. They look about the same. Oh, and here's the hang tag. I'll show you another angle of the side so you can get a better look. So here's what the side of the bag looks like. And here's the back. This one does have a back slip pocket, so you could put your phone back there if you like. And then it is a shoulder bag as well. Here's the shoulder strap, I should mention. And here's the bottom of the bag, so you can kind of see how wide it is. And then it has a snap closure, or a magnetic snap closure. So here's the interior of the front, and now I'll show you the inside. So here's what the inside of the bag looks like. So I would say it's a pretty good sized medium bag, so you could probably fit a fair amount in here. Definitely big enough for the essentials, I would say, for most people. And it does have a zip pocket in the back here, back along the back part of the bag. And it does have the creed there, but since I can't really pick it up well on camera, I will insert a photo of the creed now. So here's what the creed looks like. So that's the Ergo flat bag in this beautiful red color. We do have a few other Ergo bags arriving in the shop or already listed. So I will leave a link to the main Etsy shop as well if you want to look for the other Ergo bags. I'll have a regular size Ergo zip bag in mahogany coming up, and then I have the mini size Ergo in a beautiful blue color as well. So the link to the shop will be in the description bar, and I will also of course leave a link to this bag, as well as I'll leave the information about the bag that I mentioned earlier if you need to review any of it. But that'll all be in the description bar. And also just a reminder that if you want to stay up to date with our content, please remember to subscribe to the channel. But otherwise, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.